Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 10 Mathematics Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question, find the sum of the following APs. 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So we have to find the solution. So first term A is 2, common difference D is 5, N is 10. We know that the formula of sum of nth term in AP series is Sn, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We will put the values of n, a and d. We will get S10 equals to 245. Next, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. There are 12th terms in this. A is minus 37. Common difference is 4 and n is 12. We will put the value in the formula of Sn of nth term in AP series. So we will get S12 equals to minus 180. Next, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on. There are 100 terms. So first term A is 0.6, common difference D is 1.1, N is 100. We know that the formula for sum of nth term in AP series is Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we will find S12 equals to 5505. Next, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on till 11 terms. First term A is 1 by 5, common difference D is 1 by 60. N term is 11. So we will put the values of this in Sn formula. So we will get Sn equals to 33 upon 20. Next, find the sums given below. 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus dash plus 84. First term is 7, nth term is 84. Common difference D is 7 upon 2. Let 84 be the nth term of this AP. Then as per the nth term formula, that is An equals to A n plus n minus 1 into D. We will put the value, we will get n equals to 23. We know that sum of n term is Sn n upon 2 A plus 1. Here, sorry, A plus L. L is 84. So we will get Sn equals to 1046 and a half. Next, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash plus 10. So first term is 34. Common difference D is minus 2. Nth term, that is An equals to 10. So let 10 be the nth term of this AP. Therefore, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we will put the value and we will get n equals to 13. We know that sum of n terms is Sn equals to n upon 2 A plus L. L is 10. So Sn is 286. Next, given is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dash plus 230. A, that is first term, is minus 5. Nth term An equals to minus 230. Common difference D equals to minus 3. We will let 230, that is minus 230, be the nth term of this AP, and then by the nth term formula we know n equals to 76. So we will put the value now in Sn formula. So we will get Sn equals to minus 8930. Next, in an AP, given A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50, we have to find N and SN. So the given values of A, D and AN, so we will put that in the formula of AN first. Therefore, we will get the value of N equals to 16. Then we will put the sum of N terms formula. So we will get SN equals to 440. Next, A is given 7, A 13 is given 35, and D, we have to find D and S 13. So we will put the formula with values in formula of nth term in an AP. Therefore, D equals to, that is common difference, equals to 2.33. Then we will put Sn formula, we will get S13 equals to 273. Next, A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3. Find A and S12. Okay, so we will first put the formula of nth term in an AP. While putting the values given, we will get A equals to 4. Now we will put the value of formula of sum of nth term Sn. So we will get Sn equals to 246. Next, A3 is given 15, S10 is given 125. Find D and A10. Okay, so we will put the formula of AN. We will put the values in that. So we will get first equation as 15 equals to A plus 2D. Now sum of the nth term, that is 125 equals to 5 into 2A plus 9D. So 25 equals to 2A plus 9D, that is our second equation. Multiplying the equation 1 by 2, we will get 30 equals to 2A plus 4D. This is our third equation. By subtracting equation 3 from 2, we get minus 5 equals to 5D, that is D equals to minus 1. From equation 1, so we will put the value in equation 1, we will get A equals to 17 as the first term. So A10, we will find A10 equals to 8. Given D equals to 5, S9 equals to 75. So first we will put the formula of Sn. We will put the values and we will get A equals to minus 35 upon 3. Then we will put the formula of nth term, that is An equals to A plus bracket n minus 1 into D. So A9 we will get as 85 upon 3. Next, given is A equals to 2, D equals to 8, Sn equals to 90. We have to find N and An. So we will put the first formula of Sn. So we will get N equals to 6. Now 62 plus 8 plus 5D. So we will get D equals to 10.8. Given A equals to 8, An equals to 62, Sn equals to 210. We will find N and D. So we will first put the formula of sum of n terms, that is Sn. So we will get N equals to 6. Then 62 equals to 8 plus 5D. So D equals to 10.8. Given An equals to 4, D equals to 2, Sn equals to minus 14. We have to find N and A. So we know the formula of nth term, that is An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will put the values here. So we will get A equals to 6 minus 2, and that's the first equation. Then we will put the value of Sn, formula of Sn, and we will put the values. We will get minus 28 equals to minus 2n square plus 10n. So 2n square minus 10n minus 28 equals to 0. We will take 2 as a common. So n square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. We will split 5n of the factor of 14. So we will get n minus 7, n plus 2 as the 2 bracket equals to 0. So n can be either 7 or minus 2. However, n can either be negative or fractional, so n is 7. From equation 1, we will put the value in equation 1. We will get A equals to minus 8. A is given 3, N is given 8, S is given 192. We have to find D. First term A is 3, N term 8, S term 192. We have to find. So we will put the formula of Sn. So we will get D equals to 6. L is 28, S is 144. And there are total 9 terms. We have to find A. So S term formula we will put. So we will get A equals to 4. Next, how many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So let there be an n terms of AP 9, 17, 25 and so on. So first term is 9, common difference is 8. We will put the formula of Sn and we will get 4n plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. That means 4n plus 53, n minus 12 equals to 0. So n is minus 53 upon 4 or n is 12. N cannot be negative of fraction, therefore n equals to 12 only. Next, the first term of AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So, A is given 5, L is 45, Sn equals to 400. We will put the formula of Sn, we will get n equals to 16. As we know, the last term of AP series can be written as L equals to A plus bracket n minus 1 into D. So we will get common difference D equals to 8 upon 3. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So A is 17, L is 350, common difference D is 9. So we will put the formula of L, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So we will get n equals to 38. Then we will put the formula of Sn. So we will get 19 into 367, that is 6973. This AP contains 38 terms and the sum of terms of this AP is 6973. Next, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equals to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So common difference D is 7. 22nd term, that is A22 is 149. Sum of the first 22nd term, that is S22, we have to find. So we will put the formula of An first. We will get A equals to 2 as the first term. Then we will put the formula of S of n terms. So we will get S22 equals to 1661. Next, find the sum of the first 53 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. So first term, second term, that is A2 equals to 14, third term A3 equals to 18. Common difference D equals to 4. A2 equals to A plus D, that is A we have to find. So that is A is 10, that is first term. Now we will put in the sum of n terms, so we will get Sn equals to, that is S51 equals to 5610. Next, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So S7 equals to 49, S17 equals to 289. We will put the value of Sn. So Sn value we will put and we will get S7 equals to A plus 3D equals to 7 as the first equation. In the same way we will find S17. So we will get A plus 8D plus 17, that is second equation. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, we will get D equals to 2. Now we will put the value of D in first equation. We will get A equals to 1. Hence Sn. So n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We will put the value and we will get n square. Next, show that a1, a2, so on till an form an AP where an is defined as below. An equals to 3 plus 4n. So a1 equals to 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. a2 is 11, a3 is 15, a4 is 19. So the common difference between the terms are 4, 4, 4. Hence ak plus 1 minus ak is the same value every time. Therefore this is a and ap with common difference 4 and the first term 7. So as we know the sum of nth term formula, so we will put the values and we will get S15 as 525. Next, an equals to 9 minus 5n. So an equals to 9 minus 5n. a1 is 4, a2 is minus 1, a3 is minus 6, a4 is minus 11. So the common difference is minus 5. So common difference is same all the time. So we know the formula of S of nth term. So S15 is minus 465. Next, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and the 10th and the nth term. So given that Sn equals to 4n minus n square, first term a is 3, sum of the first two terms, that is 4, second term a2 is 1, common difference is minus 2, nth term an equals to a plus bracket n minus 1 d. So nth term a is 5 minus 2n, therefore a3 is minus 1 and a10 is minus 15. Hence the sum of first two terms is 4, the second term is 1, third and 10th and the nth terms are minus 1, minus 15 and 5, minus 2n respectively. Next, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So the positive integers that are divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. We can see here that the series forms an AP with first term is 6 and common difference is 6. We have to find S40. So we will put the formula of S of n terms. By putting the n equals to 40, we will get answer as 4920. Next, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32. The series is in the form of AP having the first term as 8 and common difference as 8. Therefore, A equals to 8, D equals to 8, S15 we have to find. So by the formula of S10, S of nth term, we know. So S15 is 960. Next, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So the odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on till 49. Therefore, we can see that these odd numbers are in the form of AP. Hence, first term A is 1, common difference D is 2, L is 49. By the formula of last term, we know N equals to 25. While putting the values in Sn formula, we will get S25 as 625. Next, a contractor on a construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day is being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? We can see that the given penalties are in the form of AP having first term as 200 and common difference as 50. Therefore, A is 200, D is 50. Penalty that has to be paid if contractor has delayed the work by 30 days, that is S30. We will put the formula of Sn and we will get S30 as 27,750. So the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 as penalty. Next, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So let the cost of first prize be P, second P minus 20, third P minus 40. If we can see that the cost of these prizes are in the form of AP, having common difference as minus 20, and first term is P. So S7 is 700. By the formula of S, sum of nth term, that is Sn, we will get A equals to 160. Therefore, the value of each of the prizes was rupees 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. Next, in a school, student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, a section of 1 will plant, class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So it can be observed that the number of trees planted by students is an AP. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 12. First term is 1, common difference is 1. We will put the formula of Sn. So S12 we have to find, that is 78. Therefore, number of trees planted by one section of the classes is 78. Number of trees planted by 3 sections of the classes is 3 into 78, that is 234. Therefore, 234 trees will be planted by the students. Next, a spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with the center at A of radius 0.5, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made by the 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi equals to 22 upon 7. So we know perimeter of a semicircle is pi r. Therefore, P1 is pi 0.5, that is pi upon 2 cm. P2 is pi cm. P3 is 3 pi upon 2 cm. Hence, where P1, P2, P3 are lengths of the semicircles. Hence, we got a series here as pi upon 2, pi, 3 pi upon 2, 2 pi, and so on. So, P1 equals to pi upon 2 cm, P2 equals to pi cm. Common difference D is pi upon 2. First term is pi upon 2 cm. We will put the values in nth term formula, that is Sn, and we will get S13 equals to 143 centimeter. Next, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to 8, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top row? So we can see the numbers of logs in rows are in the form of AP, that is 20, 19, 18 and so on. First term is 20, common difference is minus 1. Let the total of 20 logs be placed in the n rows, that is Sn equals to 200. So by the formula of nth term, that is Sn, S12 we will get as 400 equals to n, 40 minus n plus 1. So n is either 16 or n is either 25. We will put the nth term formula. So we will get A16 equals to 5. Similarly, the 25th term could be written as A25, that is A25 equals to minus 4. It can be seen that the number of logs in 16th row is 5, as the numbers cannot be negative. Therefore, 200 logs can be placed in 16 rows and the number of logs in the 16th row is 5. Next, in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in the straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, run back with it, drop in the bucket, run back to pick up the next potato, run to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues the same way till all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? The distance of the potatoes from the bucket are 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. Given the distance run by the competitor for collecting these potatoes are the 2 times the distance at which the potatoes have been kept. Therefore, the distance to be ran distance of potato could be written as 10, 16, 22, 28, 38, 34. Hence, the first term is 2, 10, D is 6. S10 we have to find, so we will put the value of Sn. So we will get S10 equals to 370. The competitor will run a total distance of 370 meter. So this was exercise 5.3 of NCERT solution for class 10th mathematics. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.